Hello, this is Chris from Polytech. On this video we are going to learn how to replace image on the media library using the Enable Media Replace plugin and the Ocean WP theme. What we need to do is go to over to the left where it says plugins. We are going to click on Add New, and on the search plugin bar we are going to type Enable Media Replace, and this is the one we are going to use. This plugin will allow us to replace files on the media library with a new one of the same type. It will save us a lot of time so we don't have to erase the previous file. So we are going to click on Install Now, and then we are going to click on Activate. And now we are going to go to the media and we are going to click on Library. And now we are going to select an image, and on the right here we are going to scroll down a bit, and here where it says Replace Media we are going to click on Upload a New File. And we have you're about to replace the media file, name of the file. There is no undo. Think about it. So we have to choose a file to upload, and here we have a maximum file of 2 megabytes, and we have the option of select a file, which is in Spanish but means select a file, and here it means that we haven't selected any file. We have the size of the image, and we have here on the replacement options, just replace the file. This option requires you to upload a file of the same type, JPG, as the one you are replacing. The name of the attachment file will stay the same no matter what the file you upload is called. And we have the other option, we can replace the file, use new file name, and update all links. If you check this option, the name of the type and the type of the file you are about to upload will replace the old file, and links pointing to the current file will be updated to point to the new file name. So we are going to click on this one, and we have date options. Keep the date, replace the date, or we can set a custom date. So we are going to keep the date, and we can put a new upload in update folder. Once we have added the file to replace it by clicking on select file, we need to go here where it says upload, and we are going to click, and then it will be done. So we have learned how to replace files on the media library in a quick and easy manner using the Enable Media Replace plugin. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might help on the sites. See you the next time on Polytech.